Good morning students. Today I want to teach you how we live on. Wherever we see the left side and right side, front side and back side, we can see the house. You and also your parents live in the house. So students, you know about the house. घर के बारे में आपको जानकारी है. आप आपका पिताजी माताजी सब एक घर में बैठता है और आप दाहिने देखो, बाएं देखो, सामने देखो, पीछे में देखो, कहीं भी आपको देखो आपका एक घर होगा. यही बोला जाता है घर. ये एनवायरमेंट साइंस का हाउस बिल्ड इन द फील्ड. One story I want to tell you. Two brothers went to work in other states. Though two brothers went to go other states for working, they earn money, much more money they earn. Then they have planned in their mind to build the house. They built the house. One brother built on the rock, one brother built on the sand. One day, cyclone came, flood came, and the sand filled the house. On the sand, there is filled the house. That brother was living there. That house fell down by the cyclone. And one brother built on the rock. It did not fall down from by the flood. So you think in your mind, whenever we build the house, we build the house on the foundation and also bricks and cement. Both is very important. When we build by the bricks and cement, it will be strong. So here is mentioned to you, we are learning chapter number 6, house we live in. We should build the house very strong. Then we can live in the house. In our book, here is many kinds of house mentioned here. We are learning about the environment. What is the meaning of environment? Teacher asked the students, what is the meaning of environment? One student stand up and tell, surroundings are environment. Wherever we see, whatever we see, that is called environment. Okay, students, now we see how many kinds of houses mentioned in our books. Only we want to teach now. Here is mentioned here, first mud and straw. Mud and straw house, build the house. Very poor families build the house in the village. गांव में इसी घर को बनाता है. लेकिन कोई भी साइक्लोन आएगा, कोई बाढ़ आएगा, उसमें वो गिर जाएगा. आपको मालूम है, कोई कभी भी बाढ़ आ सकता है. उसमें क्या होता है, स्ट्रॉ हाउस और मड हाउस नीचे में गिर जाता है. इसके बारे में 2 हाउस आपको दिया है. 2 houses mentioned here, mud straw house fall down. So because of the cyclone बाढ़ आने से पक्का इसी का गिर जाएंगे. Next, bricks and cement. If you fill the house, bricks and cement, definitely this house will be strong. It will not fall down. We know about that. Cement and bricks, linda. और ईटा और सीमेंट। इसमें बनाएगा तो इसी का कभी निश्चय नहीं करता है। One story I tell you. Already I told you one story. Again one story I told you. One family, very poor family, were living in the near the railway station. There is no house. They are not building the house. They are living in very poverty. Every day their children will go to school and come sit under the tree. How will they live in this world? How do you live in this world? You will think in your mind. Now your parents have built the house, you are living. Every day you come to the school and go to stay in your house. There is very problem for some houses of living in poverty and poor families. And why do we build the house? It protects us. House protects us from the rain, wind, cyclone and wild animals. For these things we are build the house strongly. So that house is very important. So I want to teach you some house you learn and also you write in your class note and read and study in your home. Fifth, flats. We are building, some persons are building the house in the city area. Above and above. That is called flats. Top of the place. They are building continually above and above. That is called flats house. Six, houseboat. Houseboat means some persons have built the house on the boat. And river, we may see the river. हम नदी को देख सकता है और समुद्र को देख सकता है। कहीं भी हो बोट के ऊपर में, जहाज के ऊपर में घर बनाता है. It is called houseboat. Next we can see the tent. Tent means we can see of the army soldier. Those are moving one place to another place. There is no time for them. Suppose order will come to the soldier, you will move today. Now you will move to other places. And by the commandant ordered there, they will obey to the order, then immediately fold the tent, will go to other place. So, place to place, from one place to another place, those are changing. It is called tent. Eighth one, caravan. Caravan means these persons, caravans, some places you can think in your area, that is vehicles. गाड़ी होगा, गाड़ी के ऊपर में घर बनाएंगे. They built the house on the wheel, truck. And these are also moving one place to another place. That is called caravan house. Next, ninth, stilt house. Stilt house means Polish built there first. Though some persons built this house now, we can see in this area, those are building the house. And first to build the bowl, then they will build the house above the bowl. Here is helping to us, stilt house. Anybody insects, snacks will not come inside the house. So because of that, this house stood on the bowl, so that any insects and water will not come inside the house. Last one, igloo. Igloo means, we can see here is mentioned in our books. Igloo means very important shelter in the snow places. This house is built on the ice. We can see gold ठंडा जगह में और स्नो के ऊपर, आइस के ऊपर में इसी घर को बनाता है. वो आपको किताब में सही ढंग से लिखा है, वो इसको पढ़ लेना. और हम सोचना चाहिए, वी कैन थिंक अबाउट द अर्ली मैन लिविंग. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लास्ट वन, अर्ली मैन लिविंग अंडर द ट्री. पेड़ के नीचे में पहले वाला आदमी लोग रहता था. 2000 पहले हम सोचेगा बिफोर द 2000 years, long years, our generation, when we think our generations, those were living under that tree. And also cave, it is very important. Cave and tree. Many persons are living under the tree and inside the cave. कुबा और पेड़ के नीचे में बहुत जनरेशन के पहले आदमी लोग को जीविता करता था. अभी now lastly you can write here, name these houses. Mode of mud and straw huts, house on wheels, caravan house. Mode of ice, igloo. Houses built on top of each other, flat. Houses raised above the ground, skilt. House on water, houseboat. Right here, and also this one, you draw in your note. Whenever you get time, you take your note, homework note, and draw this line and color by your color pencil. Okay, students, today I have come to end. Thank you. Signing off.